How to open Bank of America account online. To open your Bank of America account online, open your browser and go to bankofamerica.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Here on the home page, you will see different types of account that you can choose from, like a checking account or a savings account. I will just select checkings account for now. There will also be different types of account based on what you've chosen. So you can see Advantage Plus Banking, Advantage Relationship Banking, and all of the other options, and you'll also see the most popular out of these. So whatever you want to do, you can see all of the benefits of that particular account, and you can tap on the Open Now button. On the next page, you'll be able to see various options, whatever you're going to get charged, your zip code, what you'll need in order to apply, like your name, date of birth, like your government issued ID, your phone number, your physical US address, and you'll also need to be over 18 years or older. You also have to verify your identity by verifying these documents, and tap on the Begin Application button. A form will be shown in front of you which you have to fill in according to your legal details. So just make sure to go ahead and then basically type in your first name, last name, middle name, suffix, date of birth, and everything as such. Then basically after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then enter all of the other details to finish creating your bank account. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.